Hello, good people. Sandile here. The tile is on top of the hill and gardens on top of the hill. Today, we will be doing something very interesting. Before I get on to what we will be doing today, let me remind you, please do not forget to subscribe, like, share, comment on this video and other videos of mine on this channel, because if you do so, you're helping me to keep creating content on this channel, and you are also helping us reach our milestone of 500 subscribers. Right now, the last time I checked, we were sitting at 402, so we are very close to reaching that number. Please do subscribe, please do like, please do share, and please do comment. Much more appreciated if you share the video amongst your circle of people, your family members and the likes. Okay, what are we doing today? Today I'm going to share with you my little knowledge that I have when it comes to sugarcane. We'll be doing sugarcane. I bought 3 sugarcane sticks that were completely dry, sort of, I can say, dead, unconsumable because of the level of their dryness. But I knew that I can revive them and I can put them on the soil and grow them. Okay, so that's what we'll be doing today, and that's what I'll show you how to do. Let me turn this around. These are my 3 sugarcane sticks. As you can see, they're sitting on a bucket. Why are they sitting on a bucket? Because when I bought them, as you can see up here, the roots, you saw that it just broke because the roots were so dry that they were almost, if not completely, dead. So to revive these roots and to get these roots back to life and to get these nodes back to life, I had to dump this sugarcane, these 3 sticks of sugarcane, in the water and then leave them in the water for a couple of days. Now they have been in here for almost about 3 days, and I'll show you the difference on the roots. If you look at the bottom roots there, you can see at the edges that they're starting to turn white. They're starting to have some white coloring in them, which shows that now they are becoming alive. You know, they are reactivating. So that when I put them on the